Hey, welcome back to the channel. So here's a quick tip on how to view the print preview. So if you hit Control P to print, in this case there's nothing here, so let's just write anything. Control P to John. So we saw we put it in cell 3, so it makes sense that it's a little bit down here. But a quicker way and easier way to design, your spreadsheet if you're going to print it will be clicking the View tab and click Page Layout. So this is a good preview of the page you'll be printing. You can add footers, you can add headers, scroll through to really design your page how you want. And I'll show you an example here, a separate spreadsheet. Here's a little plug for my Etsy shop. I do sell a sales dashboard that you can add your customers, your products, and then this will track your orders from your sales order. Hit submit. It will populate this with the customer name and everything. There's VLOOKUPs that are combined to find everything, and there's a little net profit analysis over on this side. And you can save this as a PDF. For this example, Control P, so you can see it's a perfect layout, and here's a separate page. But for a dashboard, this doesn't print very well because it's not formatted to print. That's not the point of that page. But if you go to the View tab, so from Home to View, Page Layout, so you'll see how it's not a very nice layout here, which it's not supposed to be, so that makes sense. But the sales order, so to know if your spreadsheet will print and make a good PDF that you can send people, you're going to want to hit the View tab, Page Layout, and you could put these in the headers instead, but it kind of has nice margins already. So you can see everything here and the way it's formatted in this little side column, how it's formatted. That's the easiest way to design your spreadsheet around printing if that's what you want to do, or for print to PDF to send PDFs. I thought that's a great tip for people who want to design something that they plan on printing or plan on printing to PDF to send. That's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I will be answering any comments, making any tutorials on anything anyone has any questions about, so just leave one of those. Yeah, and appreciate watching.